I'm going to be going over another gaming peripheral combo today. That's going to be the Majic Eagle Havit gaming series. Inside the box, we have the headset, the keyboard, the mouse pad, and your booklet. Here's the keyboard. In the headset comes with an adapter. We'll get into that later. Here's the mouse. And the mouse pad. Now that we have this combo set unboxed, what I'm going to do is go over the likes and dislikes of each one of them. The keyboard. What I really like about this keyboard is that it isn't loud. So when I'm playing first-person shooters, it doesn't make very loud clicking noises that are registered by the microphone. What I also like about this keyboard is the computer button. Because I'm in a game, all I have to do is just hit this computer button and it minimizes the game and goes straight into Windows. What might be a deal breaker for a lot of people, and it's not me personally based on the price point, is that this keyboard does not appear to be mechanical. It doesn't have that mechanical click. I cannot type as easily as I can on a mechanical keyboard. But again, that's not a deal breaker considering how much I spent on this combo. It's a decent keyboard. Onto the headset. Overall, I like this headset. I like how the microphone goes out in front of your mouth. It's very adjustable. I like how the ear cups go around my whole entire ear, no problem. I do like how I can leave this unplugged if you don't want the light feature on the side of the headset. What I don't like about this headset is when I have the headset on my head and over my ears, I can actually feel the back side, the driver's side of the ear cup pushing up against my ear. Did I have any fatigue from wearing this? Did it push up against my ears in such a way where it was uncomfortable or painful over a long period of time of use? No, it was perfectly fine. Onto the mouse. I really like the feel of this mouse. It's got a matte black and it feels like it's a matte finish. There's no fingerprints that I could tell, slightly on the side here, but that's about it. And it's a decent sized mouse. It's got a braided cable. What I do not like is when I'm holding the mouse where the thumb buttons are. Typically, when I hold on a mouse, when I'm holding a mouse, I like to just go like this to push the button. And when I do that, there's no button there. I have to physically take my thumb and go up here like this to push the buttons. The mouse pad is good quality. It's stitched around the edges. It glides very well with this mouse. I was very accurate with this mouse. That's one of the things I liked about this mouse, was that I could put the crosshairs right on the target and it didn't have any problems aiming whatsoever. Alright, so here's how the keyboard looks, lit up. Here's how the mouse looks. It's basically pulsing through different colors right now. And if you were to hit the DPI button, each setting of various different DPI corresponds to a color. And here's the headset. Lights up on the sides. And if you want to disable that, not a big deal. You just unplug the USB port. Go ahead and drop a like if you like this video, and feel free to comment letting me know what you thought about this combo and whether or not you think I should follow up with another video comparing this combo against the Redragon.